So today we're going to be reviewing Unit 6 in Fundations, okay? So please remember, just like I said in the last video, we spent more than 2 weeks on Unit 6, and this is just one short video. So this is everything sort of wrapped into one, important video. So make sure that if you need help or something is not making sense to you, or you're not remembering these things that we've already learned, please reach out to your teacher and get some more practice, or have them explain to you some more so that you really are understanding these things, okay? So from Unit 6, we learned about vowel, consonant, E syllables, and we also learned about multisyllabic words some more and how to mark them up. Okay, so starting off, I do want us to drill our long vowel sounds. Remember, long vowels are just when our vowels say their name, okay? So you can either drill these sounds with me, or you can pause the video after I'm done and then sort of try to drill them on your own, okay? So we have A, safe, A, E, Pete, E, I, pine, I, O, home, O, U, rule, U, and U, mule, U. Okay, remember, our U actually has 2 long vowel sounds, that U and that U sound, okay? Now, looking over here at this word hop, we can tap that word, p. Okay, that is a closed syllable word, right? We have a short vowel, and it's closed in by my syllable. Okay, so we already know this from Unit 3. That's a closed syllable word. Okay, now what happens when we add an E on the end is we now have that vowel consonant E pattern, okay? And what that vowel consonant E pattern does is it still sounds the same in the fact that we only tap 3 times, but it's going to change the sound of our vowel. So instead of a short vowel, we're going to drill it with a long vowel. So, O, P, hope. And the reason why is because E is our silent, really hard worker in our alphabet that jumps over our consonant and changes the vowel sound, okay? And we also mark a vowel consonant E syllable by scooping it and putting our vowel consonant E, okay? Looking at this word here, cut, we have k, t, right? We have a short U sound and a closed syllable, okay? But now when we see this word cute, we have our vowel consonant E pattern, which means that our E is going to be silent. It's going to jump over, make my U a long U, and that is a vowel consonant E syllable, okay? K, U, t, cute, okay? Remember, for all 4 of these, we still only tapped 3 times because that E is silent, right? That's why when we mark it up, we cross it off because it is silent, okay? We also talked about multisyllabic words and how at this point we know that we have closed syllables and we know that we have vowel consonant E syllables. So we are able to mark up those longer words with more than 1 syllable. Okay, so taking a look at mistake, you should know right away to look at your vowels. And there's 2 consonants in between, so we're going to split it up, mistake. Okay, you should notice right away that this is a closed syllable, right? A short I, and it's closed in by S. Okay, you should also notice that my second syllable has the vowel consonant E pattern. So it's a vowel consonant E, our E is silent, and again, it makes that A say its name, mistake. Okay, now looking at fireman, okay, your brain should tell you right away, fireman is a compound word. So we know to split that word right away, fireman. Okay, now looking at the word fire, we have our vowel consonant E pattern. So again, this is a vowel consonant E syllable. We don't hear our E, and it makes our I say its name. Okay, this is a closed syllable. We have 1 vowel that's short. It's making that A sound, and it's closed in by 1 consonant. Okay, so looking here, you can have more than 1 type of syllable in a word, and it can also come in any order. So in mistake, we had a closed syllable first and then a vowel consonant E syllable. In fireman, it was opposite. We had a vowel consonant E syllable first and then a closed syllable. Okay, so the biggest thing to remember is how to split up those syllables and then deciding what those syllables are. okay? Most of you at this point also know about our open syllable, but in Unit 6, we haven't gotten there yet. So again, this is just review of things we've already learned. Okay, so in the upcoming units, we'll talk about open syllables, and you'll start to see these multisyllabic words that can have any of those 3 types of syllables. Okay, and then one other sort of side note to this was that we do have a vowel consonant E exception. Okay, remember, exception just means that it doesn't follow that rule. Okay, so whenever you see a vowel consonant E that is IVE, know that this is an exception, right? It means it doesn't follow that rule, okay? So for example, if we were talking about the word give, right, you might say, oh my goodness, okay, I see IVE, that must be a vowel consonant E, and this must be, right? But that doesn't make sense. It's not G-I-V, it's give. Okay, so we still have a short vowel, which is what makes that an exception, because vowel consonant E uses a long vowel, those vowels that say their names. Okay, again, I know that this is very quick and this is a lot of information sort of packed into one video. So don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher if this is not making sense to you or, jogging your memory.